Exposed hand bones, easy special effects Halloween tutorial. To start this Halloween tutorial, Alicia is first applying a thin layer of white glue. Next, putting paper tissue over the glue. And we add some more white glue to create another coat. Covering everything in foundation to create the skin look. Perfectly blending out the foundation. Leaving no uncovered areas behind. Cutting out the fake skin using scissors, making sure to carefully go around it so we don't cut the real skin. Whoa, that looks super realistic. Exactly what we wanted. Cutting out the fake skin around the finger area too. Using paper tissue straps and glue to create the bones. Have you ever tried something similar to this? It sure is fun, and just the perfect idea for Halloween. Adding more fake bones as we go. Securing them real well. What do you guys think of this idea? Looks like the bone is connected all the way to the finger. It is time to paint the wound all around. Adding different colors so it looks super realistic. Doing just the same with the finger too. Adding bruises all around the wound for a more realistic effect. The makeup artist has thought of all the details. The best part is yet to come. Imagine if someone sees you with your hand like this. I am sure they'll get super scared. Adding fake blood all around the wound. Giving the Halloween hand art the final touches. Some more fake blood and we are good to go. Turned out amazing.